Ever wondered what's happening in the world of science right now? What discoveries are revolutionizing our understanding of life, the universe, and everything in between? Well, let's take a journey together, a journey of discovery and enlightenment. We'll be delving into 5 groundbreaking scientific advancements that are shaping our world and our future. First, we're going to explore the cutting-edge world of gene editing, where the CRISPR-Cas9 breakthroughs are rewriting our understanding of genetics and our control over life itself. Next, we'll voyage to the furthest reaches of our universe as we delve into the exploration of exoplanets. Then, we'll delve into the mind-bending realm of quantum computing, pioneering the future of technology. We'll also journey into the deepest recesses of the human mind, mapping the mysteries of cognition. And finally, we'll explore the renewable energy innovations that are harnessing nature's power for a more sustainable future. Join us as we dive into these fascinating topics. In the realm of biology, the CRISPR-Cas9 technique is changing the game. Venturing back to the late 20th century, gene editing was merely a concept in science fiction. Then, in the early years of the 21st century, a revolutionary tool known as CRISPR-Cas9 emerged from a rather unexpected place: bacteria. You see, bacteria have been fighting viral invasions for billions of years, and CRISPR-Cas9 is their secret weapon. This system, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, and CRISPR-associated protein 9, allows bacteria to remember virus DNA and chop it up when it invades again. Scientists realized they could harness this bacterial defense system to target and edit specific sequences in the DNA of just about any organism. This discovery was a game changer. It's like having a word processor for genes, where you can simply delete, replace, or insert DNA with unprecedented precision and affordability. Fast forward to today, and the CRISPR-Cas9 system has been used in a variety of applications, from creating genetically modified crops that are more resistant to disease, to developing potential cures for genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. It's even being explored in the fight against cancer, with the first human trials showing promising results. But we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. As we refine this technology, we may one day be able to eradicate hereditary diseases, engineer drought-resistant crops to feed our growing population, or even create bioluminescent trees that could replace streetlights. The potential applications are as vast as our imagination. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications of gene editing are profound. We must navigate this new frontier with care, ensuring that we use these tools to benefit all of humanity, without causing unintended harm. In the words of Spider-Man's Uncle Ben, with great power comes great responsibility. And so it is with CRISPR-Cas9. As we unlock the secrets of our genetic code, the possibilities seem endless. From the microscopic to the cosmic, let's journey into outer space. We've come a long way since Galileo first peered through his rudimentary telescope. Since then, our curiosity has propelled us beyond our own solar system, reaching out to the distant corners of the cosmos. Our quest for knowledge led to the birth of exoplanet exploration. Exoplanets, or extrasolar planets, are planets that orbit stars outside our own solar system. The first exoplanet was discovered in the mid-1990s, a significant leap in our understanding of the universe. Over the years, our methods for detecting these distant worlds have improved. The primary method, known as the transit method, observes the dimming of a star's light as a planet passes in front of it. Another technique, radial velocity, watches for the slight wobble of a star, caused by the gravitational tug of an orbiting planet. These methods have led to some astonishing discoveries. As of today, we've identified over 4,000 exoplanets. Among these are gas giants, rocky worlds, and even planets that reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. These discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of the universe. We've found planets where a year lasts only a few Earth days, and others where the temperatures are so high it rains molten glass. Every new discovery opens up a world of possibilities, challenging our preconceived notions and expanding our cosmic horizons. Exoplanet exploration not only satisfies our curiosity, but also has profound implications for our existence. Could there be other life forms out there? Are we alone in the universe? These questions fuel our exploration, driving us to probe deeper into the depths of outer space. The universe is vast, filled with infinite mysteries and wonders. And while we've come a long way, we've only just scratched the surface. As the technology advances and our understanding deepens, we'll continue to push the boundaries of our cosmic neighborhood. Who knows what other worlds await our discovery? Back on Earth, a new kind of computing is set to revolutionize our world. Quantum computing, a concept that might sound like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, is rapidly becoming a reality. Quantum computing's roots trace back to the early 20th century, when the field of quantum mechanics was born. This area of physics, which explores the peculiar behaviors of particles at the atomic and subatomic levels, laid the groundwork for quantum computing. However, it wasn't until the 1980s that the concept of a quantum computer was first introduced by physicist Richard Feynman. Fast forward to the present day, and we're witnessing some groundbreaking advancements in this field. Quantum computers operate on quantum bits, or qubits, which, unlike the binary bits in classical computers, can exist in multiple states at once. This quantum superposition, coupled with the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, allows quantum computers to process vast amounts of information concurrently. This immense processing power has the potential to transform numerous sectors. In medicine, quantum computers could help design new drugs or analyze complex DNA sequences. In artificial intelligence, these computers could process and analyze data at unprecedented speeds. In cryptography, quantum computers could both pose threats to current encryption methods and offer new, more secure forms of encryption. Yet it's important to remember that quantum computing is still in its nascent stages. The technology is promising, but it's also complex and fraught with challenges. Maintaining the stability of qubits, for instance, is a significant hurdle. However, with global tech giants and innovative startups alike investing heavily in quantum computing research, the future looks bright. It's an exciting time in the world of computing. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, we can only imagine the profound changes quantum computing will bring. From faster computations to breakthroughs in drug discovery, the potential applications are vast and varied. With quantum computing, we're only just beginning to realize its potential. Now let's journey inward to one of the most complex structures in the known universe, the human brain. For centuries, the labyrinth of the mind has puzzled scientists and philosophers alike. From the early days, when the ancient Egyptians believed the heart was the center of intelligence, to the Renaissance understanding that the brain is the seat of our thoughts, we've come a long way. In the past century, advancements in technology have given us unprecedented access to the human brain. Neuroimaging techniques like MRI and PET scans have allowed us to visualize the brain in action, and more recently, the development of technologies like optogenetics has given us the ability to manipulate neural activity with light, but the real breakthroughs are happening now. Scientists have begun to map the human connectome, the complex network of neural connections that make up the brain. This is akin to creating a detailed roadmap of the brain, one that may finally reveal the mysteries of cognition and consciousness. The implications of these discoveries are profound. Not only does this knowledge deepen our understanding of how we think, learn, and remember, but it also holds promise for the future of mental health. Understanding the brain's wiring could lead to new treatments for disorders like depression, schizophrenia, and Alzheimer's disease. As we continue to map the brain, we come closer to understanding the essence of what makes us us. For our final discovery, let's turn to the power of nature. Renewable energy, the unsung hero of scientific advancements, has seen a remarkable evolution. With roots in the Industrial Revolution, the harnessing of nature's power has come a long way. Once upon a time, windmills and water wheels were the pinnacle of green energy. Today, we're looking at solar panels, wind turbines, and even ocean wave energy converters. In recent years, we've seen an explosion of innovation in this field. Solar power, for instance, is no longer just about large panels soaking up the sun. We're now exploring the potential of solar windows and solar paint. Wind energy, too, has evolved beyond towering turbines. We're now experimenting with bladeless wind energy converters that minimize the environmental impact. But why does all this matter? Well, these advancements are shaping our sustainable future. They're helping us combat climate change, reduce pollution, and preserve our planet for future generations. Moreover, they're transforming economies, creating jobs, and promoting sustainable development. And we're only scratching the surface. Scientists are tirelessly working on breakthroughs like artificial photosynthesis and nuclear fusion. Their goal? To harness the power of nature in ways we've never done before. With these innovations, we're learning to work with nature to power our world. So, there you have it. 5 scientific discoveries that are changing our world. Let's take a moment to recap the amazing journey we've been on together, shall we? First, we discussed the advancements in gene editing, specifically the CRISPR-Cas9 breakthroughs. This revolutionary technology is not just a new tool in the geneticist's kit, but a game changer for the entire field of biology. It's a technology that allows us to edit the genetic code of life itself in a precise and targeted way. Imagine a world where we could eradicate genetic diseases, increase crop yields to feed our growing population, or even engineer organisms to clean up our environment. These are not just fantasies, but real possibilities opened up by this technology. But the journey of discovery doesn't stop here. We then ventured into the vast expanse of the cosmos, exploring the enigmatic world of exoplanets. As we probed the depths of outer space, we found planets orbiting stars light years away, some potentially harboring conditions suitable for life. The exploration of these celestial bodies is not just about satisfying our curiosity, but it could also hold the key to understanding our place in the universe. From the vast reaches of space, we then brought the focus back to our planet and delved into the realm of quantum computing. This pioneering technology is set to revolutionize the way we process information and could potentially solve problems that are currently beyond the reach of our most powerful supercomputers. Quantum computing is not just about faster processing speeds, but it fundamentally changes how we approach computing, harnessing the strange and counterintuitive principles of quantum physics. We then took a turn inward, to the intricate workings of our own minds. By mapping the mysteries of cognition, we are beginning to unravel the complex processes that give rise to our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. This deeper understanding of the human brain could lead to breakthroughs in treating mental illnesses, enhancing cognitive abilities, and even deciphering the enigma of consciousness itself. Finally, we turned our gaze to the power of nature, exploring the latest innovations in renewable energy. As we grapple with the urgent issue of climate change, these technologies are providing us with sustainable and clean alternatives to fossil fuels. Harnessing nature's power is not just about preserving our planet, but it's also about ensuring a secure and sustainable future for generations to come. But why are these scientific discoveries so important? Well, they are not just fascinating insights into the workings of our world, but they have the potential to transform our lives in profound ways. Each one of these discoveries opens up new possibilities, new solutions to our problems, and new ways to understand and interact with our world. Science is not just about understanding the world around us, but it's also about using that understanding to make our world a better place. And each one of these discoveries is a testament to the power of human curiosity, ingenuity, and perseverance. So, what can we do to harness the full potential of these discoveries? Well, the first step is to stay informed. Understand what these discoveries mean and how they could impact our lives. But beyond that, we can support scientific research, advocate for science education, and promote a culture of curiosity and critical thinking. Because the more we understand our world, the better equipped we are to navigate it. And remember, science is a journey, not a destination. There's always more to discover, more to understand, and more to learn. So let's keep that spirit of discovery alive, and let's continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge. As we conclude this journey, I want to leave you with a call to action. Let's not just be passive consumers of scientific knowledge, but active participants in the scientific endeavor. Let's question, let's explore, and let's stay curious. Because every great discovery begins with a question. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what scientific marvels you want us to explore next. Until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious.